Hello class, this is Dattatreya Giripunji. Till here we have studied some portion of this chapter, that is advancement in petrol engine. We know there are various advancements done in petrol engine in terms of fuel feed system, in terms of ignition system, and some advancement are done in order to integrate those two systems such as the ignition and the fuel feed system to have a better efficient engine. So we have studied, we're going to study all those advancement one by one. But before that, we must know what is the drawback of previous systems are used in case of the petrol engine. So let's start with the first system, that is fuel feed system. In conventional engine, carburetor was used as a fuel feed system. It having some limitation, so that's why we are initiated to develop a FI system, that is fuel injection system. So let's see what are the disadvantage or the limitation of the old fuel feed system, that is a carburetor. The first disadvantage of carburetor system, that is it is unable to supply fixed mixture in terms of quality and quantity all cylinder compared to FI system. So here we have to focus on the multi-cylinder engine. If you're talking about multi-cylinder engine, there is a one carburetor are located at the symmetric line of at the line of symmetry of engine, and from that location it's sending to a meter air fuel mixture throughout all the range of the cylinder. So in that way, the cylinder which is located nearest to the carburetor are getting a good quality of fuel, and the cylinder which are located at the farmost location are getting a poor quality of fuel. Now here quality means the mass of fuel present at that real fuel mixture or at that charge is very less as that of the cylinder located just near to the carburetor. It just happened due to the contamination of the fuel molecule while traveling towards that cylinder. So this was the disadvantage of the old fuel feed system, that is a carburetor. So in that way, whenever we are sending unequal quantity of quality of fuel to the all range of the cylinder, it give a uneven power output, which result a excessive vibration. It also result a poor economy, that is fuel economy. So those are the problem we was facing in case of the multi-cylinder multi-cylinder carbureted fuel feed system. Now next disadvantage, that is it offers many restriction to air fuel flow, such as a pipe, vents, venturi, jets and throttle plate. We have seen there are various supplementary accessories we are employing in case of the carburetor in order to enhance its efficiency. Out of those, we are locating just in the streamline area, that is just it is exposed to the directly incoming streamline, so it offers a restriction to their free flow, which results a loss of volumetric efficiency. But in case of the FI system, it was not like that. Third disadvantage, that is carburetor has many varying part after which it produces less efficiently. Inside the carburetor, there are various jets we are using. To operate that jet, we are using the jet needles. So whenever as driver demands of dynamic loading or drivers or with respect to dynamic loading, those jet needle are supposed to move in that jets in those jets. So while moving, it making a friction with that wall and responsible to make wear of those jets, which result the diameter size of those jets get widen, and that system after long period of time supposed to work inefficiently. So this is another disadvantage of the carburetor system. The fourth disadvantage, that is freezing may take place at a low temperature. If you observe, in case of the carburetor, throttle plate is located at the downstream. So because of that, whatever the charge metered or formed by the carburetor metering devices are making a contact with that throttle plate, and after that enter into the combustion chamber. So whenever the contact of throttle plate and the fuel molecule take place, that time those fuel molecule are start to absorb a heat or the that is heat energy from the throttle plate in order to evaporate itself. So whenever it evaporating by absorbing the heat of throttle plate, a local cold spot generated on the throttle plate. And if the air which is going inside the combustion chamber having a humidity more than 75% and temperature less than 10 degrees Celsius, those humidity get converted into ice, which results of freezing of throttle plate or ice formation on the throttle plate. But in case of the FI system, it is not like that. In case of the FI system, I mean to say, in case of the port fuel injection system, we are directly injecting fuel at the port area, not behind the throttle plate, which enhance or which resolve the problem of ice formation. This is a disadvantage of our carburetor system. Again, fifth disadvantage, that is surging of fuel take place when the carburetor is tilted. Okay, there is a one air vent is provided at the carburetor valve. We all know that is just for to maintain the atmosphere pressure inside the carburetor valve. That pressure helps to draw a proper quantity of fuel at the venturi section. So that through that hole, in some cases, if we having a fast cornering, or we are supposed to negotiate the sharp curve at a high speed, if you having a sudden braking, if you have tilted our vehicle, that time through that air vent there is a chances to spill out our petrol. So this is a disadvantage of our old fuel feed system, that is a carburetor. Again, sixth disadvantage, that is response time is less compared to the FI system. So now there is a term, that is new term come, that is response time. What is the response time? Response time is nothing but the time at which engine responds to driver demand. Means as soon as driver press the throttle or press the pedal, accelerator pedal, at that instant only a fuel fill system need to supply a correct or a desired quantity of air fuel mixture to fulfill the driver demand. But in case of the old fuel feed system, it was not like that, because the fuel feeding are just governed by a vacuum offered by engine suction. But in case of the FI system, we are using a constant pressure more than atmospheric more than atmosphere pressure in order to inject the fuel quantity. So it have somewhat better response as compared to the old fuel feed system, that is a carburetor. Seven disadvantage, that is the automation rate of the fuel is less compared to FI. If you observe, in case of the carburetor fuel feed system, the fuel is injected through that main jet at the incoming airstream at atmospheric pressure. So the rate of automation at that location is very less if we compare it with the FI system, because in case of the FI system we are having a 3 to 4 bar injection pressure, which helps to enhance the automation rate and which further leads to more surface to volume ratio. As more surface to volume ratio, we are getting approximately more complete combustion of inducted charge inside the combustion chamber. So that is a overall drawback of our old fuel feed system, that is a carburetor over the FI system. Thank you.